MJ. First, we congratulate for the success of the activity today for the Grand Assembly nationwide of this Jutorium project, and it is an honor to have with us today is the Prince Rocky Y. Rayang Bonanza, the chairman and the president of the Kingdom of God, the Royal Alpha Omega Ring Trading Corporation. Yes, sir, being the chairperson of this, what is your short roadmap for the success in the execution and implementation of this Jutorium project?
First po kasi, una, kailangan ipaalam sa mga tao. Kailangan ipaalam sa nila na part sila sa Jutorium. So next po niyan, pag alam na sa mga tao, kailangan magkaroon ng ilapit namin sa lalo na sa gobyerno, kasi hindi kasi pwedeng kumuha ng natural resources kung walang
backup,
walang pahintulot sa government, lalong-lalo na kasi ang huling pipirma po kasi niyan yung president. So yun po yung next namin, kaya nga po sa tulungan ng mga ating coordinator, yung iba na may mga connection sa nilalapit po nila, lalo na po yung si engineer, siya po yung
Engineer Hashimoto.
So, isa po yan sa namin. So in the future plan, kung nandiyan yung Jutorium, syempre before po yan, kailangan i-promote po yan. Ang mag-promote po kasi yan, number 1 yung ating gusto.
And last question, for your message, because some of your colleagues encourage that this is a free and no membership fee to help our Filipino people. Your message to other Filipino people that not yet member of your organization.
Sana po magpa-register po kayo. So tingnan nyo lang po yung mga coordinator, kasi free registration ng Jutorium. Kasi ayon sa ang Jutorium po kasi ay naka-base sa Bible na binigay ng Diyos ng libre. So kailangan i-share sa mga tao ng libre. So i-inform sila na free. Kailangan magpa-register sila ng free. Pero ang company, ang kinuha lang ng company 35 million na beneficiary. Kasi depende po, kasi hindi po kasi namin hindi po yung company na pilitin ang tao na maging beneficiary. Nasa tao na po yun kung gusto niya maging beneficiary.
So you're targeting for 35 million Filipino people. As of the moment, you have
more than 15 million na ako ang
So at
not
least
accurately, because
more or
hindi pa
less
namin nakukuha lahat ng mga master list na napakalat po namin nationwide.
At we are calling for a slot for a 20 million selected blessed Filipino for this project. Thank you so much. This is an honor to have this personal interview long way from Mindanao, no other than the chairperson and the president of the Kingdom of God and the Royal Alpha Omega Ring Trading Corporation, no other than Prince Rocky Rayang Bonanza. This is MJ Albina Balaguer of DCMJ Online, Makabuluhang Journalism, your happiness channel.